This wig will definitely have everyone thinking that it's your hair, plus it includes a new upgraded feature. Hey y'all, it's Kinky. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some hair from ISEE Hair, and this is one of my favorite hair companies. I love their packaging and all of the gifts that they send over with the hair. And today I'm actually introducing one of their new designs. I have their VPart Kinky curly wig in 18 inches, and this is actually their upgraded VPart wig, and it features a bracket right around the V part, and this just helps the wig lay flatter and just fit better on your head. It also has removable combs, a breathable cap, and it has C-shaped ear protection. This wig is just overall designed to fit nice and comfortably, and I love that. So now let's go ahead and get it installed. It was super easy to put on. Like I said, it does include the upgraded V part, and it made the wig feel really secure on my head, so I really love that. You don't even have to use the comb. So now that I have it on, I'm gonna go ahead and begin defining the curls. So I usually just separate my hair into 4 sections, and I use some water and some foam and mousse to define the curls, and then I like to go in with a dimming brush and just further define it. And y'all are gonna see me like looking off and smiling a couple times. Y'all, in this video I was watching the finale of The Circle, and if you've been watching this season, then you know it has been tea. So y'all, I was just so entertained. But if y'all watched it, let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below. I'm not gonna spoil it, but I'm so happy with the person who ended up winning. That's who I was rooting for. I wasn't rooting for them originally, but then it kind of grew on me. But yeah, I'm so happy they won, and I'm ready for the next season. And I forgot to mention that I did end up using some leave-in conditioner. This one is by Function of Beauty, and it smells so good. This was my first time using this one, and I love it. This is definitely about to be one of my products that I include in my little routine. So after I applied my first couple of products, I use my unbrush, which if you don't have one of these, you should definitely run and get one. It is the truth when it's time to detangle your hair. So I just detangled it. It was really easy to detangle. I didn't have any problems at all. Now I'm just using my foam and mousse, and then I'm going to use the dimming brush to define the curls. Alright y'all, and this is how the curls are looking so far. So pretty and juicy and bouncy, just how I like them. The quality of this hair is so nice. I love me a nice kinky curly wig. So now that this side is done, I'm going to go ahead and work on the other side using the same process. Now I'm going to start working on my leave out, and I had already had my hair braided up previously, so it already had like a little curl to it. So I'm just going to be using those same products just to kind of give my curls some life. Next, I am just blow drying the hair, and I'm also blow drying my leave out to stretch it out a little bit. I love doing this process because it just makes my hair blend in with the wig a lot better, because I get a lot of shrinkage with my hair, so this just helps to stretch it out a lot. And I usually do it on a low heat setting so that I won't really get any heat damage at all. So this is just what I do until the hair is nice and dry. Alright y'all, and here is the finished look. I'm so in love with how it turns out. Kinky curly wigs just never get old for me, especially when they're V-part and I can have my hair left out. It just looks so natural. People always think that it's my hair, and I'm definitely loving the upgraded V-part. I really like the bracket that they have in there. It really helps the wig to lay on my head nice and flat and comfortably. And I also love that I didn't even have to use the combs. Like, it fits that nice and snug. Yeah, I definitely recommend checking it out. I'll have all of the information down in my description box. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.